Hi guys, what's up? It's me again, your teacher Arman. Now what? Everybody or almost half of the student who taking thesis or feasibility study sa Intercity College is nagtatanong sa akin kung paano ba gumawa ng actually the PowerPoint for their defense. So today, I'm going to teach you on kung paano ba gagawin yun on ilang slide ba o kung ano bang ilalagay sa slide. So let's get started. First page is actually your title. Like my title before when I'm taking thesis, the interactive website of Intercity College of Science and Technology. And below that is my full name, Arman G. Chris, and that's it. So the second page is statement of problem. I have a three statement of problem. Number one is how accurate and reliable, blah blah blah. That's it. Nakuha nyo na. Second, on the third page, objective study. So to motivate students and teachers for better relationship. That's it. Blah blah blah. Objectives of the problem. The fourth is conceptual framework. So hindi ako naglagay kasi tamad ako. Nakakapagod na. Marami at mataas. I don't want to draw or something. That's it. Nakuha nyo na. Conceptual framework. And the next is the method. Method of the study, like seek permission. Oh my. Seek permission to conduct study. That's it. And lastly, don't forget to say, hey ma'am, thank you. Hope you gave me a B grade. Or if you defense during December, just say advance Merry Christmas. Thank you. Hopefully you give a big grade to me, and that's a very big gift to me. Thank you so much. Like, thank you and good day. So that's it. So kung gusto niyo malaman kung ano yung thesis ko, kung paano ko ginawa, actually I don't use PowerPoint. I use Flash. So hanapin ko lang. Ito. So 1, 2, 3, go. This is my PowerPoint. Or this is my my presentation. Yung ginawa ko, the interactive website of Intercity College of Science and Technology, then Arman G. Quezon, Best IT. That's it. My second page is ganito. Just like a bubble there on the left and the right of the title. The one next, paras lang. Then third, yeah, conceptual frameworks like this, like data inputting, processed, output, and if there's an error, feedback. So that's it. I just put a something animation on that, just a simple animation. So next is the method. This is my method, and the last page I created like, hey mom, advance Merry Christmas, thank you, good day, God bless you. Just, you know what, give a something that ang ganda mo ngayon ma'am, ang sayo ko kasi ikaw yung naging panelist ko, something na sabihin mo positive to them, just maybe it can help. But the thing is guys, don't ever forget to pray before you're going to room and magde-defense na kayo. Don't forget God, that He is the one who give you knowledge, wisdom, and everything, strength. You know what? Like your mother and father who provide you a lot, your teachers. So that's it. Don't forget to pray. Don't forget God. So hope may nakuha kayo, and God bless us all. Thank you.